Well, a January thaw is well and truly a distant memory. We're opening the month of February on a very cold note indeed, and it looks as if we're going to maintain that very cold theme through the month of February overall. System in the Pacific Northwest is going to be the next clipper for the Super Bowl host city of Minneapolis. We've seen temperatures yesterday only in the mid-single figures for highs, below zero at night time, so we're certainly well and truly in that winter theme once again. We're currently seeing snow pushing through the northeastern cities. Once that system clears away, we're into the colder and some very, very chilly temperatures tomorrow morning for the big cities, probably down into the teens, I think, by the time dawn hits tomorrow morning. That Pacific Northwest system comes through. You can see here that it brings some snow across much of Minnesota except the far south. That system clears away and it opens the door to the next system coming through. But that next system, according to the GFS, is a little bit further south, and we are talking about a very cold Super Bowl Sunday. We've got the 504 thickness line down into the north of Iowa here. So we are going to be talking about temperatures really, I think, struggling to get much above single figures in Minneapolis by the time we start kickoff on Sunday. And it will be, without a shadow of a doubt, the coldest Super Bowl start on record. Good thing is the US Bank Stadium is indoors, but unfortunately people have to go through the cold air to get to the ground. So it's certainly going to be a cold one, that's for sure. Plenty of snow, rain, pushing through the northeastern half of the country, and we continue to see these systems coming down, a kind of Alberta Clipper-like system. Again, diving to the south of the Twin Cities here. This is Tuesday of next week, of course. So we're basically talking about the northern plain states, at least, staying in the Arctic air while any systems ride to the south over the northern and central Rockies through the central plain states, and the north is going to be in the clear, cold air overall. But we're going to maintain this very, very cold theme right through, I think, much of February now. It's looking like the GFS, the ensembles, the European model, the CFSV2, all honing in on pretty much a cold February. Not just cold first half of February, but I think the overall theme is going to be on the cold side. Could even see snow back into the south again. That is definitely on the cards as well. So certainly, like I say, a cold Super Bowl Sunday coming up for Minneapolis. We've got snow systems pushing both to the north during the day on Saturday, to the south during the day on Sunday, and plenty of winter. Certainly, winter is not done. We're nowhere near it just yet. Hope you have a great day Friday, and I'll be back in the next few days with more.